Alright, now that I've spent about almost 10 minutes just doing settings and such. Actually, this looks a lot better now that I've done the settings. I've turned some stuff down. It's actually awesome. It was my birthday recently, which means that this video is gonna come out in maybe like 4 years. It was also my brother's birthday recently, but that's besides the point. One of my friends gave me this off of my wish list, and I'm very excited to play it because all I know about this is that it is ocean deep sea horror and you're on an oil rig. And I watched the trailer, but that left me with more questions than answers, and I don't even really know what those questions are. Per usual, I have tea, some black tea, so it's caffeinated, because it needs to be. Per usual, there will be 20,000 interruptions. Followed by me mostly muting my phone. That's whatever. Nah, let's go... Is there a hard mode? Yeah, let's go standard. No hints. I like figuring stuff out myself. I'll leave this for now, because I don't know how crazy things get. I don't know if this can be changed later. I kind of hope it can be. Silver screen. No. We're going color.
I still can't believe you went. What are you thinking? Going to that place? Wish you hadn't got yourself into this mess, but you did. You can't run forever. I know you were just trying to do right by me, so I need you to do what's right by us. Now, please, Kaz. I am so tired of fighting. I just want it to be over. I want you home. The girls want you home, but if you don't deal with this, then we are done for good. I love you. But I won't wait forever. Suze.
Jesus, Suze.
Girls made you a Christmas card.
Ah, fuck. Merry fucking Christmas.
Kaz, Roy's finishing up breakfast if you want something.
I'll be there in a minute, Trots.
Aye, well, dinna wait too long or someone will be off with it.
Aye. Alright.
I'm so sorry. I realized... Oh, there's so much to take in right quick. Hold on, let me change something in the settings because I realized that I should just be good old deaf me. Because for everybody else, that'll sound weird. Oh, the little paper crown. Also, your thumbs were like clipping through your... I don't know if it's actually clipping or if it's just... Just how your gloves are working. Okay, same letter. Bear with me. I'm trying to turn the sensitivity up slightly. Okay, that's much better. Sorry, motion sickness. Okay. We're fine. Everything's good.
Sorry, girls.
Aww. That's really sweet and cute. Alright, this is... This is really nice. I like this. Oh, it's bright. Okay, breakfast. Kaz McCleary, 108. Campbell, Kelly, Douglas. Those two are night shift. Hello? Oh, PC. Hello?
Alright, Kaz.
I'm alright. What are you doing up there?
Pipes leaking. If it's not one thing, it's the other. See this whole rig? It's a pile of shite. It's falling apart. And we've only just started drilling. Fucking Cadal. And fucking Rennick cutting corners.
Aye.
Speaking of, you are in the shite, wee man.
What did I do?
Rennick got a letter this morning from the mainland and he's been up to high dough ever since. Heard he's gunning for you.
Well, that's just brilliant.
Christ, I need a smoke. Can't find my lighter anywhere.
Take mine. I don't need it anymore, honestly.
You're a fucking lifesaver.
I'm going to get breakfast.
Alright. I'll see you for darts tonight. We'll put a wee picture of Rennick up on the board for you.
Sounds like a plan. See ya.
Also, I didn't notice, but I have a little bit of agency in some cutscenes. Keys. The horror protagonist in me really wanted to take those. Press tab? Backsport. What button was that? Because it's not tab. Oh, it is tab. Okay, it doesn't pop up as a menu. I'm not used to how realistic this game is. Go down to the canteen. Okay, sweet. Press tab again to receive a hint. Nah, I don't really want to. Okay, I am here. Canteen is over there. Crew lounge is to my left. Exit. Alright, let's just go get food. Wow, there's a lot of people here.
You alright, Roy?
Cars, me old mucker.
I do.
McClary! To my office.
Great.
That means now, not as soon as you're ready. Now!
The sweet sound of Davy Rennick.
You think it's the police?
Can't be surprised, Kaz. You heard from Suze?
She's talking about divorce.
Oh, I'm sorry, Kaz. She'll come around.
Not if I get to jail, she won't.
Well, maybe you could have considered that while you were battering Billy Chamberlain's head in.
What?
Slagged off Susie, had it coming.
And there he is. Floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee, and swears like the devil himself. Listen, mate, even if it is the police, maybe it's best to just go back and face it, yeah?
Ugh, I don't know, Roy. I'm fucking scunnered with the whole thing.
The Lord loves you, mate, no matter what. And I'm pretty sure Suze does too.
That's all clear for you now, Roy.
Lovely job, thanks, Dobby.
Oh, Trot says he's left your insulin in your cabin.
Oh, bless his little communist socks. Muchly appreciated. Ta. Remember, life is like football. It's not over.
Until the final whistle. Aye. You're a Barnsley fan, so you're pretty much fucked from the off, right?
Oh, I will see you hang for that, McCleary. Off you trot, lad, before his nibs blows a gasket.
Oh, hey, can I maybe get something to go real quick? Okay. You know what? Who needs food? I was gonna say, I could 100% reach over and just take a roll or something. Alright, offices are this way. Engineering. Isn't it around the crew lounge? Huh. I have a feeling that if I don't get there fast enough, he is 100% gonna call the radio again. I can cut through the crew lounge. What's this? Oh, darts tournament. Cute. Oh. Well, then how am I supposed to get to the office? Is it upstairs? Duty officer. That's a duty officer. Galley. Pantry. I'm gonna go upstairs. Laundry's downstairs. Cabin's upstairs. Okay, here we go. None of this is what I need. Oh, I can't go downstairs. Do I go through the canteen? Lifeboat, helipad, cabins. I better get a sense of direction here quick. I assume administration is where I'm going. Huh.
Head up and see what the score is.
There's something really industrially pretty about this environment. Other than the fact that it's just an oil rig out in a really foggy, rainy day. Ooh, that's... Oh, I can talk to you.
Am I alright to get by, pal?
It's alright. You have to go around, Kaz.
Well...
What, Jack? One of us needs a heat here, eh?
Huh?
You're taking mine off next time.
I didn't do anything.
Not exactly smoke. Oh, aye. You're a smart one. Play it on the deck, eh? Nice and easy. Don't bash it! Pay extra attention.
The hell is going on? I feel like I woke up with amnesia. Obviously it's... Oh god, camera. Obviously it's just me not knowing anything about the game, but so many things are happening. Go to the crew lift. Where's the crew lift?
Need a hand there, fellas? McCleary? No, I can scalp in this here all by myself. No, we're alright. Cheers, though. Fair enough.
You want to transfer here, McCleary? You'd give me less lip. Nah, he loves it.
McCleary! My office! Don't make me ask again!
In a better mood today, is he?
You'll be alright, Kaz. You get used to it. We all get a turn.
Try not to punch him. Ah, no promises.
Is that the lift? Doesn't seem very lift. There's the crew lift. I really thought for a second.
You're thinking we're 20-year-old? He says the sea air. Aye, I bet they do. I'll add it to the list.
Go around.
A little bit choppy today.
Oh yeah. Man. Just imagining being on an oil rig in like this type of weather and temperature, just working. There's like nothing for miles.
Give me a minute to check. It needs fitting again, I can see from here. Grill crew will love that. Rennick will love it even more. You're telling him. I told him last time. This
Am
one's
I-
all yours.
Blindly walking past where I need to go. Crew lift is over there. Go up here. Oh, okay, so that wasn't blocking off my everything. Drilling personnel only. Maintenance is what's going on here?
Alright, Roper, what's the problem? Don't usually see you down here.
Drill's acting up this morning. Got the crew running around like blue-ass flies, but they cannot make head or tail of it.
Is that you's behind schedule then?
Oh, not yet. And not if the gods are smiling on us.
So more fucked than ever.
Not as fucked as you by the sounds of it. Look, you better get up there. The bossman sounds raging.
Yeah.
How long will that take? Orders in, but might be 2-3 weeks.
I want to
before
talk to
the ship
everybody,
like.
but I feel like if I
can
talk to
patch
everybody,
it, but we'll need to
I'm gonna
keep an
get
eye
yelled
on
at
it.
even more.
Maybe say a prayer and all. Seems like you keep doing those. Stay on the path, mate. That cargo hoist will crush you if you get close.
Oh, good to know. My bad. I should have stayed on the green.
Clearance! Jesus, Scooby! Give me a heart attack.
Oh, sorry, mate. Can I ask a wee favour?
What do you need, Scoob?
Ah, could you do me a quick fix on the crew lift fuse box while you're down there?
Aye, no bother.
Oh, you're a lifesaver, mate. And don't let the big man get you down, alright?
Thanks, pal.
Oh, I'm gonna have to learn how to do maintenance. You know what? That's simple enough. That's not that bad. I thought I was gonna be like connecting wires or something. Taking off screws. Okay, so up. This game is really pretty. Oh. Which one would he be? Okay, I'm on the way. Your door's locked. Yell, yell, yell.
Well, here we fucking go.
Yeah, let's just get it over with at this point.
Enter!
Oh, he sounds happy.
Ah, Mr. McClary.
Oh, I recognize you from the trailer.
Got you out of bed. Shut the door and have a seat.
I'm fine, Stan.
Sit your ass in that chair, you fucking liability.
All
I
right.
run a tight ship. Do you understand me? A tight ship.
Technically, it's no shit.
Shut your gob, you Ned prick!
I am sick to fucking bouking of you wee gobshites messing with my operation. That chef might be a mate of yours, but he does not run things around here. I do. Do you understand me?
All right, why don't you just get on with it?
Don't you answer me back! You might be the height of shite on shore, McClary, but out here, I am the fucking king. Do you understand me? You bring the police to my door, to my rig.
I can sort this, right? I just need time.
Shut it, you clatty gobshite. I've got here's a man who can make a more positive contribution to this operation than you.
Look, I know...
Shut it!
Might want to pick that
I'm
up.
in a meeting. What? Fuck's sake, Gibbo, I don't care. We're on a schedule. It's a fucking drill. You've got a fucking drill, so drill through it. Yeah, well, Roper's a whiny old fud. He's got a problem with everything.
So are you. You're
I
also.
don't care if it feels off. Just fucking do it! Or I'll come down there myself.
Is that trouble with the missus?
You're fired. You hear me? Fired.
Come on, man. It's only a wee bit of trouble with the polish. I'm good with the lecky. I keep things running. You said it yourself.
Out! Get off my rig!
Aye. A happy new year to you too, ya.
Well, from the sounds of it, I'm gonna guess they're drilling into Eldritch stone or something, so it's probably a good thing I got fired. That sounded weird and wrong. I think it's starting.
Well, no more running for you, Kaz.
I should go get my things, I would think, right? Or am I just getting on the helicopter and going? Because, like, my kids gave me a little card for Christmas. I don't want to leave without it. Oh!
Jesus, Gregor! Gregor! Get away from the end! Gas! Gas!
Oh shit, I didn't even notice him.
Help me! Gas! Don't let me die, please! I don't want to die! I don't want to die!
Pull up, hold
Just
up.
hang on! Fuck! Fuck!
Ew.
Christ, but you're a right pair. 2 bars and a ball bag.
Now listen, Pat. I promise I'll take care of him. I had a word with our Kieran, you remember him? He knows Billy Chamberlain from way back. Owes me a favour. Reckons you can sweeten Billy up a bit. Come on. Have I ever let you down?
Right, you lost the cake at the wedding.
Now then, that wasn't my fault.
You left it on a bench at Argyle Street.
Aye, you were that bloated you didn't even remember baking the cunt.
Oh, my children, that was before the light of the Lord came to me.
Here we fucking go.
And you, Mr. McCleary, you can fuss and cuss all you like. But perhaps if you went to the Saracens a little less and the Tabernacle a little more, then perhaps you'd not be in this pickle, eh?
Don't look at me. You're the one who decided to spend the next 4 months trapped on a rig with this bampot.
Susan, I promise you, we will get this straightened out.
I will. You'd better.
Is this what it looks like when your life flashes before your eyes?
Guys! Christ! He's gone cold! Shit! Guys! Get his legs! We can't leave him out here! Move! Fuck! Kaz! I think he's deep! We've got you, man, alright? We've got you!
I thought I hit the water.
He's breathing, thank Christ. Kaz, come on. Wake up, Kaz. Why is he not waking up? Can you hear me? Is he going to die, Brody? Kaz?
Oh. They didn't just leave me here, did they? Oh, you know what? Okay, I thought this was like a hallway in between. This is more reasonable place to leave somebody who's... Yeah. Okay. So what the fuck was the explosion that led up to that? Guys?
I need your help here!
What is that? What the fuck is happening? How am I helping with the diving bell?
McCleary! Thank Christ! You alright being up on your feet?
My heat's killing me, but... Aye, I think so. You got me out. Did you get Gregor?
I got you, aye. I couldn't find Gregor. Fuck. I'm sorry, Kaz.
Jesus.
He's not the only one we lost. Oh, no! Raffs is still in there!
Okay, then pull it
Why
up.
aren't these working? Kaz! I need you to help me! Kaz!
What? Right, aye, what do you need?
The cable's stuck. Go down and release the main brake, then come back up and raise the bell. If you can get it to my level, I think I can get him out.
Aye!
Got it.
Raffs, it's alright, we're getting you out. We'll be 2 minutes, pal.
Yeah, he's losing his fucking mind. Alright, where's the... Christ. Brake switch.
That's it! Come back and winch up the bell now!
Up. The vessel is falling.
What's going on, Brody? What happened?
Don't know. The drill hit something. An air pocket or gas explosion, nobody knows. But whatever it was big. You were lucky, trust me. Douglas is trying to find out more. Like if the bear is even safe now.
What's wrong with Raffs?
I don't know, alright. Decompression shouldn't be this bad. I shouldn't have let him go down there. I said I'd look after him.
It doesn't sound...
Raffs. It's pro day. I'm gonna get you out.
Yeah, it does not sound like he's in pain. It sounds like he's
Is there
screaming.
anything there I can do?
No, I'll get him. We need to know what's going on up top. You'll need to go through engineering. The way up is blocked from here.
Where's engineering for here? I've never been doing this end before.
The only way you'll get there is to go under the rig. Should be a clearer path down there.
All right, I'll head down now.
Yeah, that sounds like fear, not really pain. There's something not right there. Okay.
Christ.
Yeah. Which part of this do I go? I need to go to engineering. I'm at Lake D. Okay, so I think I'm going the right way by going this way. Okay, we're going the long way then. Oh. Aw, no way. That's gonna mess me up one. Ooh. Well, that's not makeable anymore.
Fuck.
Okay, Lake C. Jesus. What did we drill into? God. God is what we drilled into.
What the fuck?
Don't listen to it.
What? Guys! Get over here before it falls apart! Feed me inside!
Jesus. What is this stuff?
Something you need to not look at or listen to. Ignore how pretty it is. Ignore how enticing it is.
Stuck fast.
Oh, we can get rid of it. Yeah. That's an easy fix. Oh. Ooh.
Jesus.
Eat him. Moving. Ooh, do. No. Okay, let's get inside. Oh. Oh, the glow is gone. Along with... No, it's still there. Okay. I thought the stuff surrounding it was... no longer there. Okay, I'm starting to get used to the controls. It's a good thing we have this really simple and not stressful tutorial to go through.
Shite!
Don't look down.
Fucking see again.
Don't think about it. Don't think about it, it'll become true. I can't go through that door. Oh. Alright, I've played Mirror's Edge before. No. Come on.
Too close.
Alright, good job, buddy. Alright, now we just gotta go through monkey bars.
Just came close.
Man, he couldn't have fired me a day earlier. Oh. Okay. I just had a chill run up my spine. Something about this feels very wrong. Oh, it's hard to see. What is... That's not good. Minor my ass. Oh, I hate this guy.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, parts of the rig are missing. As soon as he started talking about how he was king of his little land, I knew that it was going to be a bad situation. Just think about it this way. That's kind of really funny. I was about to be like, hey, just think about it this way. By the time you're out of here, you're gonna be shredded with all the exercise you're doing. Oh, and then half the thing collapsed. Man, that's certainly an if I get out of here. Is that... yeah, that purple's still down there. I don't know what we're dealing with.
Something useful.
Oh, yeah, really. It's a huge-ass battery. Well, you're not gonna take the... oh, I thought that's just a... I thought it was a gas mask. Hey! I don't like this. Oh, damn. Okay. I don't trust a single part of this. Okay. So what I know so far, just collecting information. Oh. Is that I don't want to be in the water.